In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the logo size of your WordPress site. Whether you've just uploaded a stunning new logo or you're revamping your site's design, getting the right logo size is crucial for aesthetic appeal and user experience. So, let's dive in and get that logo looking just the way you want it. First, you'll want to log into your WordPress dashboard. If you're unfamiliar, this is your site's control hub, where you can manage every aspect of its presentation and functionality. Once you're logged in, head over to Appearance in the menu on the left. Clicking here will give you access to everything related to the visual elements of your site, such as themes, widgets, and menus. From there, select Customize. This area allows you to tweak various elements of your site's design. In the Customizer, you'll see several options, but for logo adjustments, look for Site Identity. Here is where you'll find options to modify your site title, tagline, and of course, the logo. Once you're in the Site Identity section, you should see an option labeled Logo. Click on it, and you'll be presented with the current logo of your site. If you haven't uploaded one yet, this is also where you can do that by simply clicking on Select Logo and choosing the image file from your computer. After selecting or uploading your logo, you'll notice some settings that allow you to adjust its appearance directly within the Customizer. Pay close attention to the Logo Width slider. This tool is what you'll use to adjust the size. You can slide left to make the logo smaller or right to increase the size. As you adjust the slider, you should see a live preview in the window to the right, giving you a real-time look at how the changes will appear on your site. Tweaking the size might not always give you the exact look you're aiming for, especially if your logo needs to fit perfectly within your site's header. In cases where you desire more precise control, you might need to custom edit the image dimensions using a photo editing tool before uploading it. But typically, the slider will offer enough flexibility to get a clean, balanced look. Once you're satisfied with the new logo size, be sure to hit Publish at the top to save your changes. This step is crucial because if you exit without publishing, all adjustments will be lost, and your logo will remain unchanged on the site. And there you have it. You've successfully resized your logo in WordPress, ensuring it perfectly complements your site's layout. Remember, a well-sized logo not only enhances the professional look of your site but also reinforces brand recognition. If you encounter any issues or have further customization needs, don't hesitate to consult additional WordPress guides or reach out to your theme's support. Thanks for watching, and happy customizing!